Yo, 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 everybody, it's your boy, Money Magnet Man. Some know me as Marvin the Little Fire, but I'm still Marvin Edgar. And I'm just so happy to let you know that I'm going to be having a webinar. It's coming up. You got to be at this webinar. If you want to know how the cryptocurrency space works, then you have to have a guide. Someone who knows what time it is, someone who has been in the market more than 9 years experience in the digital world. And I can tell you that I am so happy that I am now positioned to educate you and help you to navigate your way in starting up. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but I promise you that the education that you're about to receive, nobody else can give it to you. No one else can offer you what I'm about to offer you. I have a golden nugget for you. Once you join this seminar, then you know what kind of industry me and my developers are building out. Yes, if I tell you that I have something, they have something. Come, run with me. Stay behind. This thing is not waiting for anybody. Markets are changing. Go do your own research. Do your research. Find out why is it JP Morgan, MasterCard, Visa Card, BlackRock, Fidelity, Grayscale, and all these multi-trillion-dollar firms and multi-billion-dollar personals are into cryptocurrency. As I said before, not a financial advisor, but offering you financial advice. But a word to the wise is sufficient. If you want the education, jump on my seminar and stop playing with the thing. Stop playing with the thing. Stop playing with the thing. Oh!
Click the link in his bio on TikTok to join his Telegram group to register for his webinar on Saturday, August 24th at 6 p.m. The cost for the webinar is $100 USD.